What is up, guys? It's your boy Don't Newbie Games here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to earn free V-Bucks, PlayStation cards, Xbox cards, Amazon cards, PayPal even, free money basically, 100% legit. What you want to do is you want to go on the link in the description. I'll take you to this page. You sign in with your Google account, then it'll take you to the page I'm at, and basically, as you can see, you could just they have offers, and I'm showing you right now. You just go on you want to click on the apps, you install them, you use them, and then basically you earn the coins. But I'm gonna show you guys an easier way because that takes time. You could do this by just leaving your phone in the background and just go game for a couple hours, come back, you'll have the coins, and that's by clicking on the S'mores Foods as that's the one that usually works. And basically it'll take you to the page where the video will start playing, and this video, like, this page will never like expire, so the video will always play different videos and different ads, and that's how you earn the coins. So you could leave this in the background while you go game and the video will still play. So you want to keep doing this, you want to leave this playing in the background so you come back basically, and you'll have the coins. You can see there's like you could redeem for a lot of gift cards, different websites, and I have 4,499 on this account. It's a brand new account just for today, and I legit got them in like 5 hours, and that's like $5 already. So, and that's not me trying like to get a lot of them. That's just to have some for this video. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. Comment, subscribe. You should really try this out if you guys want free money, basically, as